Hi, my name is Madeline Hoerner, and I just graduated in May with a degree in mechanical engineering from Purdue University. But before I go out into the field to use that degree, I'll be spending the next 11 months as a missionary to Vilnius, Lithuania. And I never thought that I would be a missionary because when I walked on campus 5 years ago, I didn't have very much experience with the church, but I met students in Catholic Christian Fellowship who showed me what it looks like for people my own age to love other people and to have a personal relationship with God and to be excited to worship God. And so I grew to understand that I could have such peace and joy and freedom in my life that I'd never fully experienced before. So I'm going to a place where very few people even have the option to choose for themselves if they want to experience that same transformative power that I was able to experience in my own life. So I will be part of a church plant team with the Assemblies of God, and I will also be focusing on starting a Chi Alpha group at the university there, just like the one I was a part of at Purdue. And so I've been inviting people to partner with me, whether in prayer or financially, and I'd just like you to consider how you can partner with what God is doing in Lithuania. Thank you.